shoes. You already know that king is in me. First Peter 2:9. They be wondering why my bank account be piling so high. I be putting in that tie. 10%, you'll see it tomorrow. Hit that envelope, write my name on it, and best believe it, pull down. You already know that the window bring so much up, I can't take no mizzo. That's why I sizzle. Get it, sow that seed. Get it if you need, get out. You already know that the boy talk to pump in. You already know Jesus, my friend. Try to right there, sit and fan in, cause you know the sun is here. I ain't talking about the sun right there, talking about that sun in here. Got you blazing, have no fear. The man right here.
I like the beat be bumping, then it's bumping for the kingdom. That's why I'm doing what I can. I grab the mic, I can sing, son, but I prefer to rap today. Yeah, I'm about to snap today, so that you know that I'm saying sanctified. Yeah, I'm about to fill out my app today. About to get it higher for the King of Kings. About to be working for the Lord of Lords. He the one that came into my life and sanctified me, give me power, and he came into my heart. Yes, he saved me, gave me joy, that the world cannot destroy. Yeah, I'm saved and sanctified. You can call me a church boy. Yeah, I represent the kingdom, represent my Savior. That's why I'm doing what I can. I'm out in the field ready to labor. I want to see somebody change. I want to see somebody say, I'm so glad he came into my life in the way he already paid.
Don't get lost. I spit it for the risen, rising a little higher now. Spitting 5 flows, I know I do it, his desire. Now my Messiah to save me, change me, remade me, and made me new. Living with a new mind, craving in this grace I knew. Mercy, then gave it all for the flow that I ripped it, give me more. Hoping I can stand tall, let his grace just overflow. Download to insight, the level that we peaking on. Living for my Christ, I know that life is what I'm peeping on.
Man, I'm with my homies, and I got on their armor. Big shout out to Romans, and I transform my mind. Big shout out to Romans, and you know that Paul wrote it, from Timothy to Romans. I keep on going and going. You know I be float with Mr. Teasy. You already know it's so easy, man. The flow be sounding like breezy. God got me so easily. Had to give my flesh to him and all the rest to him, so I can see him eternally on the right hand of the man of steel. You already know that he's right there. Overflow with no pouring. Let me get the mic right. Tall T, my blizzo showing. Talking about that glow mode. Spirit on overflow mode. I just be going and catching it like I'm pro though. Keep going to the pro mode. Shouts out to my homies them. You already know that we blow on them. My light so shine on them, recline on them. Shouts out to the elders too, because they can't ensure that I can keep heaven and not the hell in me and the hell in you. We had to get delivered like it was pizza. We had called it. It's that boy talk teasy. Jesus came down and gave us that calling. So it's the kingdom and the blessing. No spirit and no flesh. I can't do. You already know that we got overflow in a recession. I keep going and going and going and going on, going on. I be like Jesus blowing and blowing inside my skin, inside my bones. I keep on going. Shouts out to that homie on the mic. You already know on the shirt too. He got a bite. With Jesus Christ, you get it right. That's all day, all night. Freestyle, no right. I'm a left-hander, no right. Get it, man? My light bright like a night light. Come on, y'all. Tell me Jesus, he gave me my car. Street standing by the rivers of water. My roof go all the way down the ground. Yeah.
Oh, it's going on and on to the break of dawn. That's why I wanna take the time to rap, sing on this song. Singing to my Father, I'm giving him the praise, because my name forever. In him I'm gonna reign. In him I live, I move, and I have my being. Without the Lord on my side, I'll be blind, won't be seeing. But I'm glad he opened up my eyes and gave me a vision. That's why I'm saving and sanctified. I'm eating my barbecue chicken. It's so good, man. I'm in the hood, man. I'm doing everything that a spiritual man can. I'm in the